Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make this beautiful mirror out of some Dollar Tree items. I bought these items. You can see it in front of you. It was a mirror, a little board, got my metallic silver. My first step was to start painting, covering my mirror with my tape. And as you can see, I'm breaking it down in like little pieces and I'm curving it around the mirror as I go. This will allow you to be able to cover it the way you need to. That way you don't have any paint seeping out. And as you can see, I took some metallic silver paint and started painting around the perimeter, going in like the little corners with the stars. And both of my items I painted twice, so I let it dry for about an hour or so and came back and added a second coat. This is what both of them look like with two covers of the metallic silver. And what I did was I used a combination of hot glue and I used some of the fix-all glue from the Dollar Tree to add to the perimeter of it. And I just pretty much added the jewels that I bought from the Dollar Tree as well. To get the singular strips, of course I had to cut those. I went ahead and applied the fix-all glue around the perimeter in different places, and I went back in to reinforce for a quick dry the hot glue. And after that, I let it sit for a few hours before I continue adding the gems to it. So I started going around the perimeter with the gems, and the strips that I had were 3 rows. I had to go back and cut an individual row to finish it because you need really the 4-row ones to complete the perimeter of this. And as you can see right here, I'm gluing the 4th row. I hope it makes sense now. just using a hot glue gun to go around the perimeter. And as you can see, I started adding jewels on the inside, and I played around with it a little bit, and here's the finished product. I continue to add them until I like them, and I hope you guys enjoy.